The leather industry and textile industry that government of Kenya has embarked on in the last 5 years are targeted specifically because of the potential that those sectors bring in creation of jobs for the young people. Today we employ nearly 50,000 people in our Athi River EPZ that are producing textile and apparels for both domestic as well as international markets. The leather sector is another one where we have the raw materials, but we've never had the opportunity to do value addition and use leather. We today can add probably, I would say, the very modest estimation, at least 15 to 20 times value you can generate from the raw hide into the finished product. And all that value has traditionally been going out of Kenya, and by capturing that value here, by processing this into a wet blue, into crust, into finished product, then finally into the final products like shoes and others, we are able to generate at least 20 times value addition than that we would not have been able to realize before. Now, naturally, there are issues around the quality of the raw material, the hides and skins. That is a very, very important issue. Problems of branding of animals affects the quality of leather, the scratches that animals have when they go free grazing. These are all things that over time, together with the county teams and the livestock ministry, we should be able to educate and train people. In order to get better value for your hide, we want to make sure that those imperfections on the hides can be eliminated, and there are best practices that can be introduced and shared with.